Hey everyone, welcome back to the series of 10th class math chapter 1 real numbers. So this is the part 2 of the video, and in this video we'll solve some exciting problems based on what we learned in the previous part. So without wasting any time, let's dive in. We need to find the LCM and HCF and verify whether LCM into HCF equals to product of the two numbers for the following. So let's factorize the given numbers, which is 26 and 91. 26 can be written as 2 into 13 and 91 can be written as 7 into 13. To calculate HCF is nothing but the common factor, which is in this case is 13. For LCM, we'll take all prime factors with the highest power, which is 2, 7 and 13 in this case. Multiplying them gives the LCM. Now let's verify the rule that LCF into LCM equals to product of the numbers, and yes, it holds true for this problem. By the way, I use Vedic maths to multiply faster. If you would like a video on those tricks, drop a comment below. Let's move on to the next question. In this question, we have to find the HCF and LCM of 510 and 92. Here's how it's done. Alright, that one is done. Let's move to the next question. This question is for you. Now find the LCM and HCF of 336 and 54. Don't forget to comment the answer. Let's find the HCF and LCM of three numbers. We'll start writing down the factors of the numbers. You might see me arranging them differently. That's just to make it clear for you. In exams, you can write it in the usual way. Here, the common factor is 3 and therefore HCF equals to 3. For LCM, take the terms with the highest powers, that is 2 square, 3, 5 and 7. Multiply them and you will get 420. you have verified that HCF into LCM equals to product of the numbers, but now we'll use the same logic to find the LCM directly. If you want to know shortcut method, just type Vedic Mathematics series in the comments and I'll post that next. Remember our earlier discussion about numbers ending with 0? For a number to end with 0, it must include 2 and 5 as factors. So if it is divisible by 2 and not by 5, it can never end with 0. Now let's check whether the given numbers are composite. If you remember this point of the previous video, then you might be able to solve this particular problem. Now, if a number can be expressed as a product of prime factors, it's a composite number. Think about it and comment below whether the other number is composite or not. Final problem of this video. You might have noticed by now that the timings of Ravi and Sonia are interchanged than from the textbook. But don't worry, the answer is not going to change. Just imagine a person A takes 2 minutes per round and person B takes 3 minutes. They'll meet again after completing a common multiple of their times, and that's nothing but their LCM. Apply the same idea to this question and see what you get. Great work so far. We have covered half of the chapter 1, real numbers with solutions. Keep practicing and I'll see you in the next part where we take it even further.